guys, we have a Maytag washer here. Right now I'm going to be spraying it with Barkeeper's Friend, which is a rust and chemical calcium dissolver. And the complaint on this washer is making a noise or trying to agitate. So basically a tub hub drive kit. So that's what we're taking off the agitator. It takes about 15 minutes to get it off. And you spray that stuff down in there, let it soak, and just work at it. So the job started off as that, but there were so many coins in this machine, I pretty much didn't show the drive hub. I ended up just concentrating on just removing the coins. So if your washer has this issue, this is how you would do it. You do have to remove the tub, or the inner drum I should say, and just flip it over, work them out slowly or as fast as you can. And once you're done, you can put the tub back in and put your drive hub on. You can see all those coins. I will leave a link to the drive hub and also to the Barkeeper's Friend. Yeah, they were pretty wedged down in there. So just take your time. Hook is very good to use. It has a grabber, or maybe a needle nose pliers as well. You can flip the tub upside down, which is what I did. And they fall out, but this machine had a lot of lint, so wasn't able to actually do much on that, but lots of them. Alright guys, I just let you enjoy the video. Put it back together. Thanks for watching.